In this video, we delve into an extraordinary transformation. The moon has become a thriving hub for human colonization by the year 2090. We explore the establishment of a fully operational lunar base strategically located at the moon's south pole. This location benefits from near-constant sunlight and access to vital water ice, which is essential for life support and energy generation. Guiding this expansion is superintelligent AI, meticulously analyzing data to optimize infrastructure development and resource allocation. This ensures that every aspect of lunar growth is efficient and sustainable. One major stride in this effort is the use of advanced 3D printing technology for everything from habitat construction to rocket manufacturing. This innovation allows for rockets to be created directly on the moon, dramatically reducing our dependency on Earth for resources and equipment. As food sustainability becomes crucial, colonists are pioneering agricultural techniques using hydroponics and vertical farming, ensuring local production of food essential for long-term habitation. In tandem with agricultural advancements, the medical landscape on the moon is transforming. We see groundbreaking developments in gene therapy and other medical technologies that enhance human longevity and well-being, making healthcare on the moon advanced and responsive to the unique challenges of this new environment. However, it's not just about survival. The moon is also becoming a center for economic activity. Mining operations or extracting valuable resources like helium-3 and rare earth elements, critical for technological advancement and energy production on Earth. Yet, this burgeoning economy is leading to geopolitical tensions as nations vie for territorial claims over these precious resources. Another fascinating aspect of lunar life involves the integration of self-replicating construction robots, which are drastically speeding up the process of building habitats and infrastructure. These robots can multiply their numbers and enable rapid development, allowing more people to settle and thrive on the moon. Lastly, we discuss the emergence of a distinct lunar human subspecies. These individuals are adapting to the moon's low gravity and unique conditions, paving the way for a refined identity that separates them culturally from life on Earth. Join us as we take a closer look at this incredible intersection of technology, human ingenuity, and the future possibilities of lunar colonization.